Check out this 2011 Dodge Grand Caravan Main Street. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel disc anti-lock brakes, air filtration system, liftgate flood lamp, power third-row vent windows, media center 130 AM fathom per candela MP3 player, electronic speed control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 3-zone manual air conditioning. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.